Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to use VLOOKUP in Excel. VLOOKUP is a powerful Excel function that allows you to search for a value in the first column of a table and return a corresponding value from another column. It is commonly used for matching data, looking up prices, names, or other related information across tables. To start, open your Excel sheet and ensure your data is organized in a table format with clear headers and the value you want to search is in the first column. Let's say you want to look up a salary from the list. Type &= and enter VLOOKUP. Open a bracket and select the employee ID whose salary you want to find. For example, select the employee ID you want to look up and type a comma. Next, select the table range where your data is available. Type another comma and enter the column index number where the value is found, which in this case is the fourth column. Type another comma and choose between approximate match or exact match. Select exact match and press enter. You have successfully looked up the employee's salary, and remember to double check your table range and column index to avoid errors. That's it. We've learned how to use the VLOOKUP function in Excel. It helps you search for values and retrieve corresponding data effectively. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial videos.